check us out. Woo! We got Donovan in the middle. Yasa driving, passenger.
Oh shit, nigga.
Oh hell no. This fool's going to go pick up a little, what is it, a bike?
Pit bike.
A dirt bike?
Pit bike.
A little pit bike. We'll see if it's cool and shit, but Misa's on his way right now to go get, I mean, he has already read the title. So he's gonna go get a welded diff. We're gonna have to go meet up with him after we go pick this shit up, because timing just was not right. Timing was not right. Oh, bruh! Me and Misa went to Home Depot earlier, and he got like a thing for like for the diff. It's like a fucking, I forgot what it's called. It's like some type of sealant. Fuck, I forgot. A gasket maker or something. I don't know, some stupid like little paste.
Gasket maker.
It's like some paste, and they only charged us 1 cent.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's because it was a new girl, and I think she fucked up with the scanning, and it was only 1 cent Home Depot, and that shit was like $7. So we lucky came to come up, but she was actually hella pretty.
Really?
And she was a like an Asian girl. I actually almost fell in love. I'm not gonna lie, boys. I almost fell in love.
At sight?
Dude, honestly, she was actually just really pretty. She was pretty. Nah, but she was pretty.
Yeah, look at that one body though.
All right, we're gonna go Misa, yeah, let's go. All right, boys, we're on the way. We're on the way to go diff. Shit, I already fucked up. We're on our way to go fucking weld the differential. Finally, it's been a fucking minute since I've been planning this. I've been trying to find the right guy to do this. I want to show you guys what it sounds like before and after. No chirping and like my thoughts on welded diff. Is it gonna be drivable for a daily? No chirping, no nothing. Doesn't sound too bad. Boys, Misa's getting his his diff welded right now.
No.
He's hella mad right now because we're like, oh, we're not gonna be able to pick it up because we gotta go to the dentist. We gotta do this and this and this. But we're actually surprised him. Ah!
I got my neck. That shit hurt.
We're turn left, and not this one. At the next one.
You idiot, Winnie.
At Bois, yeah, right here.
Dang.
Look, he's hella mad. He's already like, bro, the dentist is at 2. What are you doing? Dude, he's actually mad right now.
His? Mine?
Nah, let them go first though.
Go right away, bro.
I'm be like, we will pick you up at like 4. I'm like, we will pick you up like at 4.
Put him already next to the Mongo.
Nah, but he doesn't know we're coming here. He doesn't know we're coming here.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
Never mind, stay home. Boys, he's so mad. He's so mad. Oh, hell no. Just go. Were you really? Oh, hell no, bro. Hurry. Bro, Misa was so mad.
Come and sit in the middle.
Nigga.
It's in the middle. Knees hurt.
Are you mad, Misa?
Hell yeah. It's in the middle.
We're here though.
Fucking hella mad.
Hurry.
I gotta walk my ass home.
For what, bro? We're here already.
Like the motorcycle?
Oh yeah, check it out. What do you think?
Big as fuck. Yeah.
It's not that, it's actually pretty nice, like size.
I'm gonna wheelie this bitch. Bro, it's that SSR.
Fast or what?
It's 125 cc.
Really?
125, bro. 125.
Misa got his welded diff. We're picking up a tire for this fool's fucking little dirt bike.
It might be kind of cringe though.
And it might be, I don't know. We'll see. I don't even know because Misa said he recorded some clips. So I don't even know what he recorded.
It might be kind of ugly. I'm not gonna lie.
But that would be funny though.
Yeah.
Hey, wait, let me look. Really?
Take it. Let me take mine.
But right now we're gonna do this, and then hopefully when the bike is up and running, we're gonna try riding it low key. And
Guys.
hopefully Misa does the burnout.
Give me you guys' opinion. I want a real honest opinion on what you guys think of the decision that I'm thinking in my head. So I'm thinking of either painting it black or painting it white. Please help me decide. And if I should put a little tiny drift lip on it, you know what I'm talking about? On the back. I don't know. Help me decide. Let me know down in the comments below.
Comment it down in the comments. If no one comments down in the comments their opinion, we're probably gonna keep making videos and all that shit. And you guys are gonna leave a like.
Yeah, I'm gonna be mad. You better leave a like.
Now we're gonna make videos. We're gonna keep making videos.
Stop doing that shit. You're not like a fucking looking with this shit. Fucking dying fucking horse.
We're about to get to see Misa's welded diff in action. Actually, I'm kind of scared.
What does he do?
If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Okay. that shit burns, bro. It didn't do hella smoke. I thought it was gonna do more, but that shit's sick, bro. If you know, you know. Hey, why'd they come for you? Why'd they come for you?
Hey, nigga, both wheels didn't spin.
Oh yeah, only one spun.
No, look, you can see on the video. Huh?
Oh yeah, you said the fucking video, nigga.
Ah, you fucking retard.
That was you that said it.
That was your ass.
That was very clean though. That shit's clean. That shit's clean.
Test niggas littering. Acá, acá tenemos más crema.
Crema is the best part.
Acá tenemos más crema. Acá tenemos más crema.
Hey, Trader. I'll treat the last bite. It's not that good. It's not that good. Here's the last bite for 2 5.
Last bite is yours.
Hey, last bite. Last bite is yours.
I
hope you choke on that shit just for that. Right here. So we have shade.
Mr. takes every turn hella crazy. Just to get the.
Not facts, guys. Not facts.
Hey,
It does sound hella fucking like chirpy, but
Yeah, I can nose
it's cool. It's not fucking. Everybody always says it's hella bad, but it's not.
That's cool.
It actually is pretty chirpy though, but it's not.
It's chirpy, but it's not like undrivable.
You hear me?
That
No,
you're
no,
gonna
no,
be like,
no.
oh hell no,
Feel it.
you can't drive it as a daily. You could drive that shit as a daily.
You hear me?
If you want to swing. If you want to swing.
You hear me? Fuck!
How did this nigga say you hear me?
What'd you say?
Oh hell no! my bad.
You left this one day, now you changed.
This fool tested the Tesla, and he actually been acting hella different. Like Misa's not the same anymore, actually.
Those street tires?
Oh hell, let's kill him.
Yeah, actually.
Nigga sounds like an eagle.
Guys, look, we're almost. That's not even nice. Hey,
What the fuck out?
oh hell nah. Yeah.
Nigga, hell nah.
What? That asshole?
The whole fucking valve, the valve is non-existent.
It's stuck.
What's that? That one use this? Should I use this?
Ah, motherfucker! I know. Hey!
Double kill. Oh, it wasn't recording. Hey, go back again.
Shut up, bro.
I know this nigga's ass is hella red right
I thought we were only getting Donovan.
We got it done though. Let's see.
Oh hell no! You have to kick it hard.
Grab it.
Scared? Should I go?
Yeah, go.
Nah, I don't want to, bro. What if I fly?
Yeah, that's what happened. That's why I said we'll go to the grass. Y'all don't listen to me.
Go. Ah.
What'd you do? I stalled. You're supposed to go down.
Down
and
first
up.
gear?
You actually stalled?
Yeah, you supposed to go down.
Oh, you're supposed to go down? Let me see.
Misa head
Go down.
ass.
Go back down.
I did.
That looks like a bitch to turn on.
Down. You're gonna feel like go forward a little bit. Clutch in. Now go back up. Let it go. Let the breeze go a little bit. You're gonna take off a little bit.
Oh, hell.
Come on. Yeah, you have to give it a little bit gas.
Oh, this is kind of hard, bro.
It's like a fucking
I've never ridden a bike.
Go all the way down. Did you do it?
Boys, I was already ready, bruh. This was lacking.
Yeah. This is learning process, bro. You see how you stalled right now?
It's hard to kick it, huh?
No, it's hella easy. When we do it.
Wait.
Alright, clutch in. Hold on. Alright, you're in gear. Don't let off the clutch easy. Let off the clutch easy. You don't want it to gas.
Oh, hell no! I'm not gonna shift.
Yeah.
That's a
Got it.
sick one.
Yeah.
Yo, this is kind of cool.
This is a weird ass clutch. This one. Like it?
Wait, I'm gonna shift.
Go ahead. Clutch in, I think. Right? Yeah. But he got
That's
it.
just cool,
He
bro.
got
That's
it,
just
bro.
cool.
Oh my god, bro, that's just fast!
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, got them from over there.
Oh, this is sick, bro.
Hey, gas it.
Got it.
Bro, I don't know what's on, bro.
He's actually getting that shit.
It's cause look,
Hey, is the clutch good?
dude, I don't know, but
It's weird, huh?
It feels good though. The shifts are fun,
Let's go
bro.
on the street.
You go, your turn.
Yeah, I'm gonna go on the street though.
Bro, this is so fucking sick, bro. I've never ridden one, dude. It's actually easy to shift though.
You go. So how many gears?
I even downshifted.
How many gears?
I think it's only 3. I don't know. I didn't go all the way. Dude, it's scary, bro. That shit goes fast.
I'm fucking scared. Cause
Oh, right there, I fucked up. It's cause you know why? It's cause I was riding the clutch. You ready?
you're in gear right now, is it?
Nah, it's not in gear. If you were in gear, it would already stall.
Alright. So what you in? Clutch in?
Yeah, one up.
Did you go down?
No, up. Just go up. All right, now you're in first gear. Let it out and put a little bit of gas. Bro, that's just so fun, bro. It's scary though.
Yeah.
You scared?
Yeah, okay.
Like a little nervous? It's fun?
That shit's sick. Oh, hold around. I gotta go again.
Sheesh. Oh fuck, boys, this is scary, bro. Oh, my head's gonna fly off, bro. Yeah, it's 4 gears. Alright, your turn, bro. Dude, this is so fun though. Hey, be careful though. Hey, right, just be careful though. And then once it turns on a little bit, rev it like a baby bit.
Oh, hell no.
Just lean more on that side.
Where?
Like yeah, you're good right there, actually. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey, let go of the gas! Let go of the gas! Let go of your right hand! Bro, you're fucking crazy!
You can't turn it off.
Hold it.
Bro!
Dumb. Look the whole
Oh hell no! No! Bruh! Oh no, disconnected. It disconnected. Oh hell no!
Oh, look, you fucking bent the fucking clutch.
Oh hell no!
Oh,
Fuck, bro!
Couldn't turn it off.
Yosef.
Oh hell no, bro!
Bittersweet moment.
No, wait! Don't let the gas out. Fuck, bro!
That's not like funny.
It's funny because
That's not
it's
funny.
fucked though. Fuck,
No,
dude!
it's not fucked, bro. All you do is mount this and then
Is the clutch
bend
good
this
though?
back. Look, bro, I gotta buy a new clutch, new disc.
Fuck, dude!
It's not that bad.
Oh, look at the pedal though. Actually, that's only a pedal, huh?
What's this up? Y'all getting stuck.
It's good. Oh, it's probably in first gear.
Because of you.
Yeah, you
No,
said
I
go
thought.
up.
Oh no, not yet though.
Why'd you go up right away?
He went up
He
right.
told
Oh,
me.
no.
He like,
I missed. I explained it wrong. Then that's on me. Fuck, bro. All
I didn't even get to ride it all day. Look at you. I'm mad. Now we gotta fix this right now.
right, let's fix it.
Hold this up. Turn off the camera right now. I'm mad.
That sucks, bro. That sucks.
Hold this up.
We're gonna fix it, boys.
go up one. Oh, hell no. This nigga's face, bro.
Wait, you might as well go down again, just to make sure. All right, go up one. All right. Let go of the clutch slowly, and then put a little bit of gas, a little bit, because if you put too much, it's gonna fly. Let go of it slow. No, that's too much.
Hell no, bro.
You're fucking stupid.
Chill,
Shut the fuck up, bro.